Welcome. If you're looking to stop those constant notes notifications on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. With Instagram's latest update, managing your notifications is easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps together so you can enjoy a quieter, distraction-free Instagram experience. First, open your browser and head to the Instagram website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Instagram homepage, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on your profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page. Now, on your profile page, find and click on the notifications option in the left menu. This section is where you can control all the alerts Instagram sends you. Once inside the notifications settings, look for the push notifications option and click on it. This is the area that manages which notifications pop up while you're browsing on your computer. Scroll through the push notification options until you find the section labeled Notes. Here, you'll see a few choices for how you want to receive notifications about notes. To completely turn them off, simply select Off. With this setting, Instagram will no longer send you notifications whenever someone shares a note. That's all it takes. You've now disabled Notes notifications on Instagram for your PC. No more interruptions or unwanted alerts. Just a smoother, more focused browsing experience. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends or colleagues who might also want to tidy up their Instagram notifications. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Instagram without the extra noise.